Hey guys, it's Wild Slimes, and today I'm going to be restocking with y'all. So definitely follow my Instagram and snatch these slimes down below. They're very low priced, and by down below I mean in the description. Anyway, this right here is Pink Drink, and she is a thick and glossy slime. She's also very stretchy, and it's got strawberry female slices and 2 different like kinds, and then foam beads. And I mean, look at that gloss. But yeah, this one is just the stuff of dreams. Anyway, let's get to restocking and making these slimes in the first place. So this is Mickey's bubble tea, and it's getting a little sticky actually, so I have to put it in the mixer to activate it. So I threw it in the mixer and let's activate. So I pretty much overactivated this slime just because, you know, it'll be shipped. So this is Lucky Charms, and it's also a bit melted, so I'm going to activate this one too. This slime though is just so amazing to play with. Anyway, so this is it after activation, and it's very overactivated, so it gets you guys very like the right texture. So I have all these charms, and I'll just put one of these into your slime, and it's kind of like really fun, so you can, you know, see what charm you get. So this right here is me packing apple cider donuts. You'll see this slime in a later clip, but she's a floam, and she's really crunchy, thick, glossy, and more. So just wait for that. So this right here is cotton candy cereal milk, and it has rainbow foam beads, and then micro blue and red foam beads, and then pink foam beads, and then regular white foam beads. It's super thick, and then it also has, hold on, these little cereal things that I cut. You can see it more clear on the shop, but they're basically like foam cereal chunks, and they're really cute. This next one I was really surprised about because a lot of people actually want this one, and it's called apple cinnamon wait, no. Hold up. Apple cider donuts. How could I forget? But a lot of people want this. And it's a floam. I would say it's like a half floam. But yeah, it's really beautiful and cute. But you know, I was surprised because, I mean, it's a brown slime, and brown slimes don't always do as well. But like, if you want this, good for you, because, you know, a lot of other people want it, so get your hands on it quick. So are you ready for a sneak peek for not this restock, but my next restock? Ooh, winter holiday restock coming up after this one. Get hyped. Anyway, this one, I don't know what to call it yet, but it has something to do with Totoro. So I have all these like charms, more than just these 3, but obviously. But the bottom will be this green slime. It's a butter slime, and then the top, which I haven't really added yet, is this black slime, and they mix into this amazing butterfish slime, so get hyped for that. The name is to be decided, but yeah, I'm so excited for you guys to try this one. Get hyped. But in the meantime, all the other slimes I have in my shop right now are also just truly amazing. So get your hands on all of them. So the slimes are partially packed, ready to go. So definitely go snatch these. Mickey's bubble tea, so cute, yes queen. And then these are some slimes that I only have one of. This one's Pineapple Under the Sea, Sugar Sugar, the new one that I haven't released yet. Starburst Fizz, Apple Cider Donuts, then Churro Dough, Pink Drink, 32 ounce of Churro Dough. Wow, get your hands on that one. I only have one in stock. Then more Apple Cider Donuts. Then just a little, I haven't packed the whole thing yet, but just a little bit of cotton candy cereal milk, Lucky Charms, and these two I also haven't released yet. So, yeah, stay tuned. Anyway, guys, tomorrow I'm posting a full-on, like, restock video for y'all. But before that, definitely like this video, subscribe so you can, you know, get notifications and all that. And then definitely go buy these slimes. Link in the description. They're super cheaply priced, $5 each. So yeah, these are a snatch deal. Nicole Jacqueline, we don't know her. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.